I'm Dr. Lindsay Trottier. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine practicing in San Diego, California. And today I'm going to go over one of my favorite things to teach patients. It's called the Superman pose, or Superwoman pose, whichever you prefer. Now, you may have heard of this before. A lot of people talk about this exercise for building confidence, and it's really great for that. But I think why it's so good for building confidence is it puts you into a really good posture. And I'm more interested in seeing patients adopt this practice so that they can have less pain. Now, the way we are standing will lead to a lot of aggravation of certain conditions like knee pain, back pain, hip pain, neck pain, shoulder pain. Okay, so everyone should have an image of Superman. Superman is always ready to fly into the air and save the day. So the first thing I tell patients is if you're standing, take up a little space. Your feet should be about hip width apart, and your toes should be pointing forward. Which toes? Probably the second and third, okay? Now, when Superman goes to jump, are his legs straight? No, you can't jump with straight legs. So you need a little bend in your legs, okay? Little bend, not a big bend, a little bend. If you ever played team sports like football, baseball, soccer, this would be like ready position, okay? So first you're gonna get a little bend in your knees. The next, Superman has his hands on his hips, okay? And he puffs up his chest. Now, he's not doing chicken wings. Now, some people, when they think about bringing their chest out, they'll want to pull their shoulders back. This is incorrect. This is not going to work well. What you're doing is you are going to pinch back here, but you're not strengthening the muscles, these rhomboids and traps that are going to balance out the chest. So what you want to think about is putting your chest out, but keeping your elbows in line with your side body. As you do this, your collarbone's going to widen and you're going to get a lot of space. The neck muscles and the shoulder muscles all connect to this area. And if it's rounded in or even pulled back too tight, you're going to compete for space. And this will cut off blood flow, this will cut off nerve conduction through this area and then down into the arms as well. So again, from the side, you don't want to pull back because look where my head goes, forward. If you think of your head as a bowling ball, would you ever hold a bowling ball like this? No, you'd want to hold it like this. It's going to be a lot easier, and your head and neck are the same way. So again, you're going to puff up your chest, bend your knees, and that's about it. And you can stand like this for as long as you want, practicing in the mirror. I tell patients if they're ever waiting in line somewhere, you can practice this. You don't have to put your hands on your hips if this makes you feel like you're bringing too much attention to yourself. You can bring your arms down. It's just a good idea to know that your elbows should be at your side, not pulled back. Okay? I hope you enjoy this exercise and use it to help with your posture and help you live a pain-free, happy and healthy life. Go ahead and like this video if this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more, you can visit my website, lindsaytrottier.com.